Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix your Apple ID email if it has been disabled. So in order to do that, all you need to do is just log into your Apple ID. So while you're logging in, you'll find this forgot password over here. So to fix your disabled email, all you need to do is reset your password. And if you don't remember your password, you can just use this option over here and then you can reset your password. And after that, you'll be able to enable your email again. And if it still has not been fixed, then you need to check whether you have been using this email for your family account or your child's account, because that can be affected too. And because of that, your email has been disabled. So after you check that, after that you'll be able to enable your email. So the most important part is that you reset your password. So guys, that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.